Now, characteristics of a directed line segment. Now, for every directed line segment, we have common characteristics and what are they? For every directed line we have common characteristics and the common characteristics are number 1 length, number 2 support and number 3 sense. Length we have already discussed. So, once again we are having now length. Now, what length represents? The length of a directed line segment of a directed line segment is denoted by AB. Okay. So, when we are having, even we can modulus, okay. So, but the length of the directed line segment is noted by AB. What it means? Length is always in some positive manner, okay. So, now clearly if directed line segment, clearly if directed line segment have same lengths, say AB and BA, in symbols we represent as AB is equal to BA. So, this is the length. Now, support. Now, if you remember what I have written, I have drawn like this one. Okay, so this was point A, this was point B, and this was the direction. Okay, so now what support is? Just go with this figure and then check it. Suppose this is line L. Now, L is a straight line. Okay, so the straight line of unlimited length of which a directed line segment is a part is called its line of support. It is called its line of support or simply the support. So we have gone through length, we have gone through support, and now sense. Now sense means what? The sense represents if a vector is denoted as AB, senses from A to B, or initial point of vector AB is A and terminal point of vector AB is B. So these are the three common characteristics for a directed line.